Hello guys. I'm here to share a fix which I discovered to try to get your HP laptop touchpad functional. This problem usually happens when you update your Windows 10. For some reason, the touchpad stops working. I have tried several options to try to get this working, but this just seems to be so difficult. I've seen quite a number of videos and trials online which stated how you could achieve this, but none of them seems to work. I've gone even to the extent of updating my BIOS and still the same non-functional touchpad. And the funny thing is, on the BIOS, the touchpad works well. Early installations of Windows 10, it works, but as soon as I update my Windows 10, the touchpad stops working. I know some of you out there might be thinking, yeah, it's a driver issue, get the right drivers and all, but I have tried so many drivers, so many versions, and still. Funny thing is, on your device manager, you see all your drivers are fully functional and working fine, but then the touchpad just doesn't work. And so I discovered something and I thought to share, maybe it will help a lot of people out there. I even came across a video that tells how you could do this by changing some registry setting on enable cursor suppression. Yeah, that's the name. Changing the value from 1 to 0. That seemed to have worked for a lot of people, but for me, it still didn't work. So I'm going to share my method and hope it works for some of you out there. Yeah, so I would recommend first you try other options from YouTube, other options given on Google. Just try those recommendations first, and if any of them doesn't work, if all else fails, then you try this fix. Yeah, because this fix requires you to delete a particular system file. And just before deleting the file, I will show you how you delete the file, but before you do delete, just make a copy and keep in a safe folder, just in case you need to take it back from the folder you deleted it from. Yeah, so on we go. So first, what you would need to do is open your device manager. You can simply press the Windows key together with the X key, followed by M. That brings up your device manager for quick access. Then you scroll down to the system's devices. Now there are two Intel Serial I/O I2C host controller 9D 9 Delta. So 9D60 and 9D61. Now these two devices have they share a common system file, and we need to delete that particular file to get the touchpad working. Why this works, I really have no idea. Perhaps some of you out there would know how it works, but this is what I did to get my touchpad working. So first of all, you want to know where the system file is located. You can simply right click on any of them and go to properties, then come to the drivers tab and then driver details. When you click this, you would see the location of that particular file has a very long name, and then don't mind the INF here. The INF is just .inf is just part of the folder name. The real file is after this backslash. You see, there's a backslash here that shows that everything here is a folder. So if you move, you see the actual name of the file ending with .sys. Yeah, so this file is usually located in the Windows System 32 folders in drive C. So we go there and check that. System 32. Yeah, by the way, I'm using an external mouse. It's not my touchpad, so you might just decide to borrow one and use. If you don't have one lying around, you can just borrow one and use for this fix. Yeah, in the System 32 folder, that file is usually in the drivers folder, either the drivers folder or the drive store folder. In my case, it's in the drive store folder. So we just go ahead and open this, and in file repository, you could do a search from the system32 folder once you know the name of the file. Once you know the name of the file here, you can do a search, but to make it easy, I just try to direct you where it is, mostly in the system32 driver folder or drive store folder. So I would look for the name of that folder here, ILPSS2 underscore I2C blah blah blah. I think this is the folder. So I have this here, ILPSS2 I2C SKL. So I excuse me, go ahead and open this folder. This is the file we're looking for. If you check and compare it, so you see it has the same, it's actually the same name, it's that particular file. So we just want to go ahead and simply delete this file. So you right click, and if you try deleting, it tells you need permission to perform this action. It's a system file, so Windows wouldn't just let you delete the file, so no matter how much you try. So you have to provide permission to be able to delete this file. What you do is you come right click and come to properties, and under security tab, you have to give access to everyone, this user here. So we can come to advanced, and here you see the owner. Already that file is owned by the system, so we need to change that to everyone. Just type everyone here and check names. Just click check names. So it underlines this, and you just click OK. Now you can see from the window here, the owner is everyone. Just click apply. It gives you a warning if you just take ownership blah blah blah, just OK, and then you click on OK here. So we can now edit this file and give full control to everyone. So what you want to do here is just come to full control, click on full control, and then apply. Gives you a warning, just yes it. So okay, and you still can't delete this file for now. Why? Because the delete can't be completed because the file is open in another program. It's doing this because the file is still running here in your device manager. So what you want to do is just simply come and uninstall these two devices. So uninstall device 9D60. Be careful, do not select this check mark. Do not delete the driver software for this device because there are other files associated with this. So do not delete. Don't check. Just simply come to uninstall. That is gone for the 9D60. Then we do the same for the 9D61. So we uninstall this as well. Don't check this check mark, remember. So just simply uninstall, and then that's it. What we do, these are no longer here, so we just come and simply delete this file. You can see it's gone. I would suggest before you delete, I would suggest you make a copy of this file, keep it somewhere, maybe on your desktop or so. Now that we have deleted, I'm sure it's in the recycle bin, so you might just take it out from the recycle bin and keep it in a safe location. Yeah, so after this, that's all. We just come back to scan for hardware changes. Once that is done, you would notice they have exclamation marks here because the associated file is missing. You can check properties and find. Oh, we can check properties and find yeah, on the description. It's the device status. Windows can't find and load device driver for this hardware, so that's okay. Uh, all you need to do is just shut down your system. Do not restart. Do a full shutdown, like cold reboot. So you just simply shut down your system. And yeah, I hope that works for you guys because um, I'm guessing this fix would work and probably not just the HP series, and I guess it might even work for other manufacturers' laptop series as well. Yeah, but it's worth a try, and I hope this really works for y'all. Peace.